In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow responses in ChatGPT. If you're trying to ask ChatGPT a question and the replies are loading slowly, there are a few simple methods you can try to solve the problem. The first thing you should do is click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. Confirm by pressing Log Out, and once that's done, click on the Login button again and sign back into your account. Many times, just doing this can fix the slow response issue. If that doesn't work, the next step is to click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security from the left side. Now select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the option Cookies and Other Site Data is checked. Change the time range to All Time, and then click Delete Data. After that, return to ChatGPT and check if the issue is resolved. If it's still slow, open any browser and search for ChatGPT server status. Then press Enter. Click on the top result, which is the status page for OpenAI. Here you can see if all servers are operational. Sometimes there may be planned maintenance, and if that's the case, you'll need to wait until ChatGPT fixes the issue. If everything is working fine on the server side, the last solution is to click on the three vertical dots again and open a new Incognito window. From there, visit the ChatGPT website and try using it in Incognito mode. This can also help solve the slow response issue. That's it, guys. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. And I'll see you in the next video.